Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here. You just click on it, then it's going to take you to next zip here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on audio and visual here, just click on it. Then you click here on accommodations, just click on it, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. So then here can you select your tone audio for. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.